seal's okay on the crank. That one's good. It's not leaking. That's just residue from the damn pan in the side where the gasket was leaking. That seal's not leaking. It's okay. Now, right there, I need a file or a burr right there on that one. File it a little bit. Aligning pinhole, bolt. That's an alignment hole right there. And my transmission, yeah, it looks okay. It's not leaking. If it is, it just barely is. But I don't believe it's leaking. This is just bullshit right here, coming from the motor and the oil pan. I'll tell you what, guys, damn, them dowel pins, when they went in right there, they were stuck. So I need to get some emery cloth for that. Clean that a little bit. And that one on that one. I got one on the bell housing and one on the block. Yeah, I need to clean them up. You can see it over there. It was a pain in the ass to get it loose. I mean, it was literally froze. So I did. I bounced it and bounced it and bounced it. And I really like my jack. I do. That's a nice jack. That transmission jack right there. No issues at all with it. But you know, I'm doing this on the ground, so it's all good. And we'll go and get the correct flywheel for this thing now and come back. Oh, I really need to wash this thing. Bad. Peace.